Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the member website login. From the top right corner, you would punch in your email address and then your password. And then from this section, this will be the dashboard that you see when you log in. From this part, you will notice your name and as well as your total amount that's due, if anything is due for your payments. You can also click on the PayPal if there is a payment that is due, as well as add another member to if you are the firm's administrator handling all the members for your firm. Next, we're gonna run on over to the profile, and from the profile section, this is where the member can edit much of their information, for everything from whether they would like to have discussion emails sent to them or newsletters. The headshot is where you would upload that, as well as your basic contact information. I am not a lawyer, so there's no bar number, so I can check the box right underneath it, and thus foregoing the required field for a bar number. You can upload your resume right there, and that is something that's clickable so people can see that if that's something that you're looking at. Additional languages and law specialties, and this is the firm contact information for firms that have more than one member that is associated with the website. Practicing locations, and I filled in another, as well as being able to change your password, and that's pretty much it for the profile editing portion. We already just saw that portion. That was the default of where the dashboard starts, and then we're going to go over to My Events. From My Events, you can go to events that are currently listed. I'm going to go ahead and add this one to my events, and you can also buy tickets from the calendar as far as what is going on with the events that are coming up and available for the members. From there, it will add to the My Events portion if you're interested, or you can actually also remove it if you want by clicking OK and with the extra prompt, and thereby it disappearing from the member user event calendar for what's going on. If you like to buy a ticket, you just click on Buy Tickets for that particular event. The pre-filled information from the member database, as far as your profile, is in there. You can also add a guest and finally finish by clicking there, and it will proceed to PayPal for the member to purchase their ticket. Next, we're going to roam on over to the button which takes you as a member, which allows you to be able to get into the PHP BB messaging board service. The member will need to log in order to access that link, and then from there they can go ahead and enter their username and password and thus get access to that membership messaging board. The Yahoo Services is the previous messaging board system, just in case there's something that the member wants to reference. And lastly, there is the help for the members. A couple general points that are out there for the members to be able to read and contact, and just get a couple tips as to for even new members that are looking to figure out how this all works and they can join in, things of that nature. Once they're done there, we're going to head on over to the Find a Lawyer. This is actually public on the internet, so if you are searching for a particular lawyer, then you can go ahead and punch in information in order to be able to find a specific type of lawyer. You can always hit back and then go back to your member portion as far as that's concerned. But in the meantime, we're going to try to search for a particular member so that we can see their profile, which is myself, and then there is a little Google map link there for that member that they've searched in order to find more information. The next piece on the main navigation from the public website are the directors. We're going to go ahead and click on Mr. Hale as a director, and there's the general information from his profile. You can also click on the directions, which will automatically take you over to Google Maps, and thus helping others find his particular office location more readily. Next is the newsletters. The newsletters is a compilation of all the newsletters that have been put together in the past. They can view those and download those as well for their reference. And lastly, of course, you can contact the organization through there for the quick form, or even some of the email addresses and the old school snail mail mailing address. After it's all done, it's the logout screen on the top right, and at that point we are finished with the general user member tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next.